Welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. I just unboxed and put together the new Ego cordless string trimmer. Some people call it a weed eater, same thing. Anyways, I wanted to show you how easy this thing is to use, so let's get right to the video. Alright, so here you have it. It's all put together. The battery's super easy, it's already been charged. I'll unclip this just to show you guys. Slide it right out. All you're going to do, just slide it right in. And it's ready to go. You don't have to power it up or do anything. Get over here, push that down, grab the trigger on the underneath side. We're going to do a trial run. This is a brand new trimmer. We're going to hit around the pool deck right here and maybe a little bit around the fence. Okay, so like most trimmers, it is going to have a push button here at the bottom. Whenever your string starts getting too short, give a couple taps on the ground. That's going to release some more string, and then you'll be good to go. Hey, thanks for watching. Super easy. The new stringer, had no problem doing it, putting it together, or using it whatsoever. Super nice not having to get gas and pull the string and hope that it starts and runs properly. I highly recommend this unit. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll catch you on the next video.